We're here with the Sinnis Terrain 125s, doing a training school, introducing a bit of off-road skills to a lot of guys that mostly ride on the road. We're a big believer that off-road riding skills will help road riders and the bike control and everything like that, and the Sinnis Terrain is a brilliant little learner legal, very capable little adventure bike.
We're both flailing off-road novices, so we thought we'd come and spend the day lying on our backs with the bikes on top of us. But actually, it's amazing how quickly you can pick up proper technique, proper bits of skill that genuinely help you riding, and that will probably transfer to road riding.
All rider abilities are catered for, been really easy to follow, and you do it in sort of chunk by chunk, so you're not set away with all these things to remember. You do it bit by bit, and then as you ride throughout the day, you've got the skills to put in place each time you ride, and then by the end of it, you become a better rider.
The instructors have been brilliant. You know, they're very knowledgeable, very they go at your own pace. We're riding the Sinnis Terrains 125s. They got the looks, they've got the the panniers, the racks, the crash bars. So they're perfect if you're just starting out to ride, and or if you just want an approachable bike, without the price tag and the weight and all the bulk of a big adventure bike.